Stainless steel has a wide range of applications in households, particularly in the kitchen for gas stoves, microwaves, electronic components of gas stoves, cabinet countertops and kitchen hardware, etc. Laser cutting equipment can be used to cut stainless steel plates, cut pipes, punch holes, and other processing. Stainless steel pots and tableware are resistant to high temperatures, easy to clean, and have good integrity and high appearance. The stainless steel countertop is seamless, with no sanitary dead corners, wear resistance, and dirt resistance. Now the whole cabinet made of all stainless steel has become the choice of many families. There are also gas stoves, ovens, microwave ovens, etc., which use a lot of stainless steel electronic components with high precision and corrosion resistance, helping these kitchen equipment to better perform their functions and have a longer service life. Common stainless steel cutting methods include high-pressure water jet water cutting, step-by-step punching, guillotine shears, disc shears, grinding wheel cutting, laser cutting, etc. Laser can be used to cut complex-shaped blanks very accurately, and the cut blanks do not need further processing. Laser cutting equipment is expensive, but it reduces the cost of subsequent processing. At the same time, there is no tool processing cost when using laser cutting machine. Therefore, whether it is large-scale production or small batch production, laser cutting machine is a good choice. For some special parts of various sizes that could not be processed before, laser cutting machine has significant advantages. The above is the application of laser cutting machine in the kitchen. There are more uses that can be seen everywhere in our lives. If you have other topics about laser cutting machine that you want to know, leave a message or contact us by phone.